Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today we're going to talk about a couple of diamond paintings from ColorfulDIY.com. Now I have brought you Colorful DIY before, and this time we're going to talk about something a little bit different, and these are crystal diamond paintings. And I brought you crystal diamond paintings before also, but these are mandalas, and I'm going to show you two of them because I love them both equally. So I had them send me two so that we can take a look at two different options. This one will look like this. Isn't it beautiful? So what is going to come in a kit with the crystal mandalas is going to be a small canvas. This one's a 30 by 30 centimeter, which will be this size in inches. It's also going to have the tray, the wax, the drill pen, and the little tweezers. You know, I like the smaller sizes like this because they're manageable and it's a quick and easy project. And this is mostly like a weekend project instead of a month project for me. But you'll see that this is a full canvas and not a partial canvas. So, you know, the entirety of this canvas is going to be full of drills, which I personally love. But I love the fact that this is a mandala. When it's done, it's just going to be so beautiful. Okay, so it does have a pearly type of drill, but I don't mind because it's got the Aurora Borealis to it. This one's a crystal and this one's a crystal. And it looks like the rest of these are crystals too. So let me move this out of the way just a little bit and let's look. And all of the pretty colors. You know, this is my favorite part. It's like the paints in a paint palette. My favorite part is anything that's colorful. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. Yummy. I love this one too. This one is a Aurora Borealis, but it's got like the pinks and the oranges all on one. Love it. Okay, same with this one. Ooh. So let's just take a quick brief look at the gemstones. They're fabulous, and these are just the larger ones here, but we're going to get all of the ones that we need with the kit. And you guys know I've been bringing you more of this kind of project lately because they're more affordable, they are quicker to finish, and I am all about that kind of life right now because the busier we get, the more we want to complete projects. And so for me, I'm just loving the fact that I can complete a project like this in a weekend and be able to be like, oh yeah, check, I finished something, you know, and have that sense of accomplishment. This was just a beautiful piece. So that's why I selected this one to show you guys. And ColorfulDIY.com has a lot of choices. So they have other types of crafts too. So make sure you check them out. I'm going to show you the other one I chose because it is fabulous. So let's move to that one and take a look. Now this one, you can imagine why I chose it. Rainbow goodness and all my favorite colors. This one screamed my name. You know how they do. I mean, like the voices in my head were like, hello, hello, beautiful, pick me. Pick me, I am beautiful. You know you want me. So yeah, I had to pick it. Rainbow goodness. Again, our toolkit. So we're going to get a toolkit with each of our kits. And we're going to look at these. You know we're going to look at these. But I just need to admire this beautiful little canvas for a second. Again, this one is a full drill canvas, so that all of the drills are going to cover the complete background. Isn't it gorgeous? Now let's take a look at the yummy, delicious drills. So let me just move these over. Okay, I'm gonna slide these. Rainbow goodness. Oh yeah, look at, there's a lot of that. So you guys, 99% of these are gemstones. The only ones that aren't gemstones with bling are these white ones, and they look sparkly. So, you know, what the good part is, you know I'm going to have leftovers, which means a sparkly project later. Like something's going to be blingy in my future. Like ornaments or something. I mean, Christmas is around the corner, so something's going to have some extra sparkle going on. I don't know what it's going to be, but there's going to be some kind of project that's going to have some extra bling because of the leftovers in these kind of kits. So you guys, I want to know what you think of these really quick and easy projects like this. Mandalas are just, you know, they just bring Zen vibes and energy and relaxation and a sense of peace when you work on them. So that is the reason for a mandala, and I just want to know what you think of these beautiful pieces and these quick projects like this. So drop a comment below and tell me what you think of the ones that I've chosen. Tell me if you think this is a project that you would want to do in a weekend. I'd love to know what you think. Thanks as always for watching, you guys, and I will see you back soon with some more quick and easy projects.